5 Psychological Secrets of Orgasm. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to delve into the mind and explore the powerful connection between psychology and sexual pleasure. Before we dive into the secrets, let's quickly establish what an orgasm is. An orgasm is a climax of sexual pleasure, characterized by intense physical sensations and release of tension. But did you know that the mind plays a crucial role in shaping the orgasmic experience? Let's explore the 5 psychological secrets that contribute to this incredible phenomenon. Secret 1: Mental stimulation. The brain is the most powerful sexual organ we have. Mental arousal and stimulation can greatly enhance the intensity of an orgasm. Fantasies, erotic thoughts, and even sexual memories can all contribute to creating a heightened state of pleasure. So, don't underestimate the power of your imagination. Secret 2: Emotional connection. Orgasms can be even more satisfying when there is a strong emotional bond between partners. Feelings of love, trust, and intimacy release oxytocin, often referred to as the cuddle hormone. This hormone intensifies the pleasurable sensations and promotes a deeper sense of connection during orgasm. Secret 3: Mindfulness and Presence. Engaging in the practice of mindfulness during sexual activity can amplify the orgasmic experience. By focusing on the present moment, you can fully immerse yourself in the sensations, heightening pleasure and reducing distractions. Mindfulness allows you to savor every touch, kiss, and caress, leading to more intense and fulfilling orgasms. Secret 4: Communication and consent. Open and honest communication with your partner is vital when it comes to achieving satisfying orgasms. Discussing your desires, boundaries, and preferences can create a safe and supportive environment for exploration. Consent ensures that both partners feel comfortable and respected, enhancing the overall pleasure and satisfaction. Secret 5: Relaxation and Letting Go. Finally, relaxation is key to experiencing mind-blowing orgasms. Stress and tension can hinder the orgasmic response, so it's essential to create a relaxed environment. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even a sensual massage can help release built-up tension and allow you to surrender to the moment, leading to more powerful orgasms.